What the heck is an exosome? That is an excellent question. Exosomes have really spread out into the field of regenerative medicine across the board in the last year and a half with these promise of all of these wonderful things that they can do. But when you really go and ask someone, hey, but what is the exosome? You get kind of like a mishmash of answers and it becomes really hazy and unclear. So I'm here to tell you. Exosomes themselves are just extracellular vesicles that are sourced from various cells. One of those cells are stem cells. Now, when stem cells produce an exosome, the exosome itself is not a stem cell. It is simply a messenger vesicle that contains bioactive molecules like microRNA, lipids, proteins, growth factors that allow us to use it in beneficial ways. These exosomes help us with tissue repair, with modulation of inflammation, and they help enhance cellular communication. In skin rejuvenation, they help improve elastin collagen production. They help improve fibroblast regulation, which increases the production of collagen, which allows for improvement of fine lines and wrinkles, improvement in skin texture, and hydration. In hair restoration, it helps with decreasing inflammation in the scalp. It helps upregulate angiogenesis, so blood flow to the hair follicles, and it helps wake up those dormant hair follicles, allowing for improvement of hair growth. In orthopedics, it's used for joint injections to help decrease inflammation in those joints. So patients who have osteoarthritis or tendinitis tend to find some benefit in it. It's also been shown to have some benefits with cartilage regulation as well. Exosomes themselves are not stem cells, but they are these messenger molecules that allow us to utilize them in beneficial ways. As always, I hope this video helps you out. Like, share, subscribe, and let's stay learning.